Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the essentials: paired devices, same Apple ID, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. Tap the Watch app on iPhone, then open Health. This prepares the data bridge. Once done, make sure motion and fitness and health permissions are granted for steps. You do this because the phone aggregates sources and needs consent to read watch data. Now, leave both devices near each other while the initial background sync begins so the health database can import step records. Next, you verify and prioritize sources inside Health. Go to Health Data Access and Devices, select Apple Watch, and confirm Steps is enabled. This tells iPhone to prefer watch readings. Once set, check sources in Steps and drag Apple Watch above iPhone if needed. Then, open the Activity app on the watch for a few seconds to trigger a push of recent steps. This manual nudge helps when automatic background transfers stall, because the watch actively hands off buffered motion data to the phone. Finally, you confirm the sync. Wait several minutes, then open Health and inspect the steps timeline for recent watch entries. If nothing appears, restart both devices. A reboot often resolves stalled background services. Make sure motion and fitness permission remains enabled, revoke and regrant it if needed. As a last resort, unpair and repair the watch because that rebuilds the health link. If problems persist, reset sync data in watch settings. This clears caches and forces a full reupload of step history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.